As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Spirit 2E310. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Charbroil is way smaller and more portable, right? It's only got 200 square inches of cooking space.
Yeah, and it weighs just 20 pounds, perfect for tailgating or camping. But the Weber has a massive 529 square inches.
Exactly. The Weber's designed for more serious grilling at home. Plus, it's got 3 burners, and the Charbroil just has 1.
Good point. The Weber's definitely more powerful then. And it uses natural gas, which is convenient if you have a hookup at home.
Definitely. No more propane tanks to refill. But the Charbroil uses propane, making it much more flexible location-wise. You can take it anywhere.
Okay, so portability versus power and convenience. What about the cooking technology? The Charbroil boasts 2RU infrared to prevent flare-ups.
Weber has their GS4 grilling system, which they say gives even heat distribution. I guess it depends on your preference. Some people love infrared, some prefer traditional burners.
True. The Charbroil's got a stainless steel grate, and the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates.
Cast iron is great for searing, but it can be a pain to clean. The stainless steel is probably easier for a portable grill, where cleaning might be, less convenient.
What about price?
Big difference there. The Charbroil is around $150, while the Weber is closer to $600.
Wow, yeah, that's a huge jump. So if I'm just looking for something to take on the go, the Charbroil sounds like the clear winner. But if I want a serious grill for home use, the Weber is the way to go, even if it's more expensive.
Precisely. It all depends on what you need it for, and how much you are willing to spend. Both seem to have good customer reviews, though.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.